Okay, this is our universal keypad. Now I will show you how to work with the linear multi-codes. In our menu, it belongs to tab 2, has DIP switch, and the opener ID is 13. Okay, now let's start. Step 1, press these two buttons at the center. Step 2, enter the first. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Okay, let's test it. As you can see, it can working together. Okay, let me show you. This is DIP switch location, and in here as only is put on is according to 8, and this is the empty according to 2. So you can set programming our keypad as those number according to your opener's DIP switch location. Okay, thank you.